Hey everyone, it's Julia, the Nomadic Crafter. I'm in the van here cooking. I know the lighting's terrible. What can I say? So I'm cooking some Annie's mac and cheese right there. It looks like it's getting ready. Yeah, Annie's mac and cheese. Yet another thing you can eat in the van or cook easily. God dang. In a van. It's all natural. Rocks. But I'm just doing it here because there's a lot of wind coming in the van. And I wanted to be able to leave my doggie outside there. You probably can't see because of the light. But we're in this beautiful place here. She's got her toy and her water out there. And there's no rangers around to tell us not to have the dog. Check this real quick. So I have this technique where I take my bowl as the top, the lid over the pan. Ooh, it's getting there. Let's see. It's ready. Oh, shoot. So it'll cook a few more minutes in the hot water. But yeah, right here in the van, cooking up some noodles. And for those of you that think that might be dangerous, it probably is. I'm watching it closely. I smell the tank before I start cooking. Make sure there's no propane smell. And it's too windy to cook outside. So a lot of times, or if I need privacy and it's weird to cook outside of a van, I'll just cook right here at the entrance on this rubber mat. I don't have electricity in the van. I can't get online and watch a YouTube van life video, which I would do. So instead I'm reading Black and Green Review, Fall 2015. This is number 2. I am enjoying reading again since I don't have the electricity. It's something I haven't done for a long time because I like to crochet using both hands and then listen to something on YouTube. I usually can't watch because I'm focused on the hat, but I can listen. And I just miss listening to my stories. They're not stories, it's nonfiction, it's informative stuff. A lot of conspiracy theory stuff, a lot of like consciousness videos, a lot of codependency videos, dog training videos, and things, and van life videos. But those I want to stop and watch, so they're too tempting. But I just wanted to show you, we are here parked in this beautiful spot. It's past summer now, so everything's calmed down quite a bit. There's not as many people here, and it's just really, really beautiful. I am trying to drive as little as possible and save the van to make enough money to, so I'm going to start going back to mechanics again and see if I can't get some answers. This next week, we'll be going to a Vietnamese mechanic right nearby here. And I still believe the transmission is probably going, but that there's other things wrong that are separate other things with my van. It's rattling and all that stuff. It's sluggish. It's horrible. It's scary. But at least I know my brakes are good. So, not really much going on other than crocheting and trying to not worry about the van. Yeah, that's about it. Really not much of a video. I just wanted to show you that I was cooking in the van and that you can too. And that we're just hanging out here in this beautiful spot. Like this. Bambi's super happy. We just took a big, giant, long walk. And, yeah, beautiful. Went to the drum circle this week. It was amazing.